Okay guys, welcome back to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to export your finished edit. So once you've completed your edit, what you're going to want to do is head on over to the Deliver tab here, and it's pretty straightforward. You give your project a file name, you head on over to Browse and select where you want to save your project. Then you head on over to these settings. Usually I leave it as a QuickTime format with an H.264 codec. You can change it to H.265 if you'd like. Choose whichever resolution you'd like to export your video in, whether it's 4K or 1080p, and I usually leave everything else as is. Also, in Davinci Resolve, you can choose one of these preset exports for YouTube, Vimeo, Twitter, etc. Okay, and once you've done that, you simply head on over here to add to render queue and click render all, and your project will render. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my Davinci Resolve Basics tutorial. I've got a lot more Davinci Resolve tutorials coming in, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned.